So we're going to talk today about what's working online to get new patients in 2015. So we're talking about new patient growth using the internet in 2015. All of you work in the industry, and all of you know that things are changing. What's happening now is different than what happened 5 years ago, and a lot different than what happened 10 years ago, especially when it comes to new patients. One, we've all heard it, is corporate dentistry taking over. That is the big trend coming right now. If you do a Google search in any city, you'll see corporates now showing up when 5 years ago all you saw was solo practitioners. The number of dentists is projected to grow 16% total. So there's 16% more dentists are going to be in your market by 2022. And your market is most likely already pretty competitive. So you've got corporates coming in, you've got more dentists coming out of school. So what happens when competition increases is a product becomes more commoditized. People care more only about price and less about the quality as competition comes through. Now you and I all know there's a big difference in quality, but the average new patient is knowing less and less.
Jake helped me out with understanding the different dynamics of the transition from the old dentistry to the new dentistry for search engine optimization, and understanding, especially for myself taking over a practice, I need to change the name online too, and it's been this big animal, its own animal that takes on, it's its own job the whole time.
Find out where your customers are and be there. So where are new patients hanging out? Where are they looking for new dentists? 80% of people go online first when they're deciding to make a purchase. So I think that probably, or they go online at some point during the pre-purchase decision. I think that probably lines up with all of us. For me, I'm almost 100% online. I have Amazon purchases coming to my doorstep every day. I try to never visit a grocery store. So let's start with search engines. How many people use a search engine? Where are new patients? They're at all these places. They're Google, Yahoo, Bing, Facebook, Yelp. They look you up online through their PPO network. There's websites like RealSelf, DemandForce, Twitter. But at the end of the day, 80% of people go to Google when looking for a local business. So if somebody searches veneer cost in Spokane, Washington, that person is about to go to a dentist. They're close to going to a dentist. So you've got to be there. You've got to be there when they do these searches. Overwhelmingly, about 50 to 70% of people will click on the first 3 listings. So we've got to be on the search engines, and we've got to be on top of the search engines. So Google created, there's about 200 to 250 of these, probably a lot more, signals that tell them that you're a good dentist or not a good dentist. And they're only going by what they can see. So we showed you the bad signals, so what are the good ones? How do we actually have the signals that tell Google we're the best dentist? We have a strong presence, we have good signals, good fingerprint. Visitors come to your website and they click around. They like what they see, oh, this is good, I'm looking for this, and they keep clicking. They don't go back to Google and try to find something else. And they love your mobile website.
Really enjoyed this talk that Jake had about online tools and looking up information. I learned a lot about Google, especially because I didn't know how they searched for things on the internet. So that was really helpful for me in all kinds of businesses, dental or anything else. So thanks a lot, Jake. Appreciate it.
Website is one of the first places actually that we should start, because all roads lead to your website, right? No matter what, somebody's going to come to your website more often than not, and at least read a little bit about you, and if not, actually read a lot about you. So no matter where they come from, all roads lead to your website. So how do you want your website to be? You want it to be, here's the big mistake we make. You want it to be problem-solution focused. So you want to talk to the patients in a way that they think and they talk, not the way you as the doctor talk. So patients think in problems, right? They think, my tooth hurts. They think, is this going to hurt? They think, I don't like my smile, right? So what we're going to do throughout the website is we're going to continue to suggest to them to contact you, right? So you want this contact form to be front and center everywhere. This is going to increase conversions. We also like to advertise special offers, and at the end of the day, most people don't even take advantage of this. They forget. They don't really care. But we want to give them reasons to call.
Hey, my name is Lisa, and I really enjoyed Jake's talk. Learned a lot about some online marketing tools that we can use. We're looking to improve our website and get a better presence in the dental market. So enjoyed his talk and learned a lot. Thanks.